Now we'll start for master data related series. Already master data, material master explained done, vendor is done. Now, what is the third master data?
Purchasing.
Info record, purchase info record. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
purchase info record. First point, when you go to the purchase info record, first point, you need to discuss to the client number ranges. What kind of number ranges you are maintaining to the company? Purchase info record related activities. First, we need to available to the interval. We need to check here. 49 is available. I'm going to take 6772 68. Very carefully when you take the interval. You are they are not system not very carefully. Okay, what is available in interval? 6777 to 688 I will take. First we need to check the interval, then only we'll take here. How to create purchase info record? Go to groups, then create. Sahil purchase info record, number ranges. Save. Where is the transport request number, Narendra?
When we are assigning a number, it doesn't create a transport number
Then create the
because
number range in the
Number
system.
range, yeah, system doesn't assign this.
So what we'll do this kind of situation? We need to do 3 servers when you implementation
yes,
time. That's fine. We need to,
yeah,
when will the configuration in the quality server number ranges Sahil?
We have to do it again in quality server.
When will do? We
after
not do
done with the
After
not
we
do
are done with this
when
module.
you transport request number Excel sheet forward to the basis consultant, then
Yeah,
move development to quality server, then only you can do the quality server. So
so we
now,
are once we're done with the development server, then we have to do in a quality server, right?
yes, we cannot do the immediately. Got my point. Now you're
yeah.
doing the configuration. Maybe your Excel sheet is still not move forward to the basis consultant. What will happen? When you move forwarded, basis consultant is sending mail to all the guys. Hi guys, all transport request number, move to the development to quality server, kindly check. You need to check one more time. Got my point?
Mm-hmm.
That time what will happen? You open to the SAP logon. See here, in this place, you have icon only one. Project place, you have icons three. ESS of development, ESS of quality, ESS of production.
Product.
You can click quality server icon. You can enter quality server user ID password. Then you can check the configuration. Clear point.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Project place, you have three icons. You may have only one here because this is not a licensed software. Anywhere in the world, online training classroom, and there is no licensed software. Only SAP projects, only licensed software. We are applying the license also. We are not get. We need to pay 2 crores rupees. We have the stock market in the share in the stock market. Then only SAP give the license. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Project place only you have 3 servers. Anywhere in the world practice, online training, classroom training, only one server, development server. So now understand, project place, what will happen? Basis consultant, all transport request number move to development quality. Then only you can do the configuration in the quality server, correct?
Yeah,
Yeah.
correct.
Check here, your number range is 49. System automatically will take. So define number ranges for purchase info requirement. no TRN. It's a quite common. Go back. Once you create the purchase info record number ranges here, define screen layouts. What is the screen layout means? There is no configuration, transaction code only. What is the purchase info record transaction code? ME11. Change ME12. 13 display. So go to new session. I open to another session. I go to open ME11. Create purchase info record. See here, vendor master material require. When you purchasing organization require, plant require. Got my point? This is master data creation, not now. I will explain in the after all the configuration. Okay.
Yes.
So only screen layout means only transaction code only. We are not done anything. Define screen layout. Screen layout. Only transaction code. Only two code. ME11. What is the transaction code? See here.
ME11.
ME11 means purchase info record. Test for purchasing info record. Define test, define copying rules. This is standard. SAP is provided for test. What is the table is cross client? Sahil, any idea? Narendra?
No. Cross client may be the client who's purchasing and buying both. Oh,
No.
selling.
No. Cross client in the sense, I will click this one. This configurations here, purchase info record node, purchase order test, you can applicable for any project, any plant, not only single plant. Cross client means client level settings, plant level settings means applicable for only one plant. Client level settings means applicable for all the plants.
Mhm.
Sahil. Sahil,
Yes.
now understand client level
Yeah.
setting. Client
Yeah.
level setting is applicable for all the plants. Maybe you have two plants. This configuration, these 2 points applicable for all the plants. Plant 1, plant 2. This is called client level test and copying rules also. See here. Purchase order node, purchase order test. When you click here, linkage all the test. So this configuration SAP is provided for test for purchase info record. No need to configure. This configuration applicable for any project, any client, any plant. Got my point?
Yeah.
Okay.
Test for purchase info record. Purchase info record. Client level settings means applicable for all plants. What is the all plants, Sahil? Who will know? So you're going to next month one project. Client will tell I need 4 plants. 1 plant, 2 plant, 3 plant, 4 plant. This point is applicable for all the plants, not only single plant. Okay,
Yeah.
that is called plant level settings. Now